What's good, y'all? It's your boy, man, and I'm back with the last video on the paint booth, man. I want to show y'all where I'm at on this thing. I have done quite a few things, kind of finished it up, buttoned it up just a little bit. I still got a little bit more to go. It's probably about 90% done, but I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at. I've already painted something in here and it went phenomenal. I mean, this thing drafts perfectly. I mean, I can't even explain to y'all right now. This thing drafts absolutely perfect. So, here we go. Front, I have not put the plastic up on the front to block that entranceway. I literally just pinned it down. I normally pin the bottom of the plastic doors down and keep them tight with these wood pieces right here. I just line them up across there and I pull the plastic tight, and because it's overlapped, it just collapses on each other and it seals that way. But I am gonna put another piece of plastic behind that because I think that'll be good. I did not get any trash in the paint as well. So I got 5 filters, 20 by 25. I was gonna do 6, but once I factored in the fact that I was gonna do a 20 by 25 filter instead of a 20 by 20 filter, I figured 5 would be perfect, and actually 5 is pretty perfect. Now, if I wanted to do 6, I could do 6, and it'll probably draft a lot stronger, but I mean, it actually drafts pretty strong right now, so I think the 5 is good with the 2 fans. The only other thing, maybe in the summer I might need it to draft a little bit harder, just to keep it a little cooler on the inside of the paint booth, simply because it's wrapped in plastic and it kind of turns into a greenhouse in there in the summertime. So, and the temperatures get pretty hot. I've been in there, man, and it'd be like 105 or 110 sometime. So I got plastic fan. I got the plastic I cut out for the fans over the fans as a guard, so when they're not on, it can cover the fan and keep stuff from going into the booth from the outside, like rain and all of that. I actually also have the plastic that goes over the filters as well. I do need to put that on, so I'm gonna put the plastic over those, so those will have covers. That will be it's gonna be kind of aggravating to have to, I guess, roll those up or whatever every time I have to use the booth, but I think that'll be good, so that way when I'm out here sanding on Bondo or whatever the case is, I don't have to worry about the dust flying into the paint booth. So yep, that's basically it, guys. So what I realized was actually using the tape and stapling on top of the tape into the wood, and I actually put caulk on top of the staples. So I'm not gonna lie, it held up really good and it's holding up really good. It's rained a couple times. I haven't gotten out 1 drop of water inside the paint booth. So I'm really excited about that, and I'll show you guys a clip of the car or the repair job that I did do inside. Oh my God! You see the mask, you see the booth in the background. Let me show you something.
Holy Father, God in heaven, show your power, let it come for your kingdom and your honor.
Talking about OG booth, Max in effect. You boys is dead. You boys is dead. All of you. Everybody. Oh, let me stop. Real spill, bro. The booth back in effect, bro. They be blind. Oh, they be blind, bro. Ain't no trash. Ain't no trash. Ain't no trash. You feel me? Little blend job, no overspray, no trash. Man, he is lazy. This is just the first coat.
This is just the first coat. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back in my OG booth, bro. I'm back in my element, bro. You feel me? What you talking about? Hey, hold up. What you talking about? Hold up. What you talking about? What you see right there, boy? Them rain boots. What you talking about? I painted on rain boots. I told y'all, boy. What you talking about? Man, you better check me, boy. You better check me before you disrespect me. I don't care if you like me or not. But he clean, though. Let me get out of here before I dirt up my clear coat fooling with y'all, man.
You tryna break up the business, ruin my witness, spreading your lies and opinions. You don't deserve my